Welder performance qualification in 4F overhead position. Position for qualification is 1F, 2F, 3F, 4F. We can see in figure. Test piece size is according to given figure. If welder is qualified in 4F position, then he can weld at all position: flat, horizontal, vertical, overhead. Following point to be remember. Equal welding is necessary. Uneven bead, raw welding, porosity, crack, pinhole and other defect is not acceptable. Inspection of plate after welding. Important point to remember. Root fusion is necessary. Do etchant testing in lab for root fusion inspection. Check current during welding. High current is not permissible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more videos.